Hello and good afternoon to anyone or everyone that's interested in the MT Hotel. That's MT, in Spanish is Mate Hotel. Where is it? It's behind or in the Plaza Brisas de Bávaro. It's the Breezes of Bávaro in English. And this is an old hotel. Don't expect a modern hotel. It's in Punta Cana. We are in, actually we're in Bávaro, which is kind of like another area. But if you get here, yeah, you're in Punta Cana. Now, what about this hotel? Internet, terrible. It's good for sending email, receiving email. That's it. Don't think you're going to upload photographs. You ain't going to do it. Not with this internet. And it's the Wi-Fi part of it is pretty solid, but the internet itself just conks out. So you can't rely on the internet here. The most dangerous thing in this hotel, I'd like to emphasize this, are the steps. I don't know if you probably can't see it in this view, but the steps are not clearly marked, and there's steps down and steps up. So if you're an older person, if you're a younger person, if you're any kind of person, beware of these steps. I mean, they're not marked clearly, and you can easily fall, get injured. Come, okay. Come. These are my friends. Thank you. Bye. But it's a nice hotel. It's not expensive compared to those compounds. There's a bunch of compounds. I call them compounds down a ways, all inclusive, $500, $600, $700 a night, maybe even more for all your meals. You stay there 3 days or 4 nights, and then you fly in, you fly out. You never see this country. This Dominican Republic is a lovely country. I don't care what I've said in the past. The beauty of the country is amazing. The problem is getting to the beauty and returning. It's expensive to travel here. There are intercity buses, intra-country bus lines, but generally speaking, taxi travel is very expensive. The food, they do serve a morning breakfast, which is behind the camera view. You won't be able to see it. I'll include it in a separate video. The breakfast is very good. Things are made to order. Omelets are made to order. It's to be expected. Come. And as far as the location, you can get anywhere from here. You just walk out to the street, and believe me, the taxis will find you. You don't have to find the taxi. They'll see you. And they'll take you just about anywhere. Take you to the beach. The beaches are lovely. Sometimes they're crowded, but they are lovely. What else would you like to know about the hotel? The rooms, average, very, it's sub-average. Clean, but sub-average. Telephone, it works to the call of the front desk. The front desk staff, the staff constantly changes. So if you were here last year, you may not find the same people here this year. So the people get better jobs and so on and so forth. But I think that's about it in this take. There will be more video about this MT Hotel. That's M-T, not M and T, but the letter M and the letter T. And don't ask me what it stands for, because I have no idea. Thank you very much for watching this. And if you do come here, have a good trip. If you don't come here, nothing lost. Thank you.